Shubor naga Snem Jong Nongsan Hima.
Ka Northeastern Electric Power Corporation Limited kalayo ban Rakhe ka Jingdap South Khandai Snem Jong ka haka ar tarik leber ar hajar ar phosau haka office trekam ka badan ha Shillong bat haki weipat kitna trekam Jong ka haba ajingkran haka ni gerpang u chairman and managing director u Gurdip Singh ulapan pau ka jing sngo hun ya ka rukom penyat ka Neepco watla kimat ya ka Jingïaid na ka Jinglong Jingman ka sun beneng bat ulapan pau ru ka jing sngo scam ba ka Neepco kan la ban penstat ya ka rukom trekam Jong ka ulo ong ba unget ba ki aka baro kenyat bet ya Lynti hak bede bat ka wa nyam bat kumjuru ki project bala pentre haka jala haka ni ka sngi Rakhe la samru ya ki khusnam syakitna trekam ki bakham pau khmat Jong ka hydro bat thermal.
The NTPC, which is the largest power generating company, is with you and is committed towards the progress of Neepco. Let me share here that Honorable Minister, Honorable Secretary, everyone is looking very eagerly that how we means at this time I am saying we as Neepco will be in a position to add new capacities in hydro and renewables. When I am saying renewables, उसका मतलब है solar, wind, storage. So मैं आप सबको ये केवल भरोसा नहीं दिला रहा हूँ, केवल साझा नहीं कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन मैं ये बताना चाह रहा हूँ कि आप सबके सामने एक बहुत ही उज्जवल भविष्य है और बहुत सारी संभावनाएं हैं and with those संभावनाएं there is lot of career opportunities for most of the people who will be able to perform, who will be able to steer the progress of the different works of the company's operations.